rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to a pre-ISE edition of my Rants and Raves videocast. I'm excited to be joined with my friend, the Vice President for Products at Nureva, James Rempel. James, how you doing?
I'm good, Gary. How are you?
I'm doing really well. I really appreciate you joining me. You made a giant splash at InfoComm with the HDX. Obviously, you have had a great history of success in becoming a problem solver in audio in collaboration. That's what I would define you as. The HDX kind of takes it to the next level because instead of just solving problems, you're actually creating new opportunities with the HDX. So if you don't mind telling people what the HDX is compared to the HDL product, and we'll talk about what you're going to do at ISE.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks, Gary. Our current product line, the HDL Series, is something we've been developing for several years now, and it's really focused on audio conferencing. And our mission in life is to make it easy to deploy high-quality audio in large meeting rooms and classrooms. We're really focused on that audio conferencing use case. But what we've found is as we've gone into bigger and bigger rooms, audio conferencing is great, but there are other audio functions that people need, and at some point they become critical.
Right.
And so we really developed the HDX series as an audio platform that goes beyond audio conferencing to solve the other audio challenges we see in these large spaces, like high quality speaker output. You're not just listening to voice, you're listening to media, music, videos, things like that.
Yeah, I mean, what you've done is add program audio
Exactly.
as well. That's a big feature because you're not just amplifying a voice or allowing a voice to go across a network to connected viewers, but you're also adding program audio, which is significant. And it's remote collaboration program audio, but also local program audio. Exactly.
And then the other big challenge in large spaces is once you get beyond a certain size, how do people in the room hear each other well? And the HDX series supports voice amplification, where we're using wireless microphones, and you can connect up to 4 wireless microphones to do full amplification throughout the room. But we're also adding another feature, the adaptive voice lift. And so this is the idea of subtly amplifying people's voices across a space so they sound, we're basically closing the effective distance between people as they're conversing without the need for wireless microphones. So we're picking people's voices up using our room microphone system, microphone mist, and automatically amplifying their voices subtly in the furthest reaches of the room.
And that's a really cool feature because I actually have a room that is very rectangular in the back right corner where there's a lot of windows and a lot of reflective surfaces. There's a speaker there, and without voice lift, you're getting the same level audio as all the other speakers, but with your voice lift technology using microphone mist, the presenters can present like normal in the front of the room, and that one speaker can be isolated with that voice lift technology to raise the level to fix that sort of dead space in the room, which is quite unique. And the HDX was launched at InfoComm, but you'll have it at ISE. Will you be shipping it soon after? It's a whole family of products. It's more than just one single product.
Yeah, we're calling it a series because there are 3 core components, but you can mix and match those to suit different room sizes and use cases. So at InfoComm, we provided it was basically a preview. And our development teams have been hard at work, so we're now ready to fully announce and launch the solution at ISE. We're going to be able to show it publicly. We're doing also targeted demonstrations of key elements of the functionality at ISE as well. So we have an off-site session before the show, and then even at the show, we have a room on the show floor where we'll be able to do again, demonstrate
Demos.
elements of the functionality. And then we're continuing to develop and roll out our demonstrations over the spring, and we will be fully shipping in the summer of 2026.
Well, congratulations on the product. It's definitely powerful. It's a great series of products, and it continues a tradition of solving problems, but in this case also adds opportunity. It's also a way for integrators to add on. It's a great value add and add on product because, as you mentioned, for example, you can add 4 microphones into the room. That sort of changes the dynamic because you can use it for conferencing applications, as an example. And by the way, you don't have to just buy the microphones from Nureva. They actually have compatibility with external mic companies. So whatever company you're using, you can actually use there. You'll be in Hall 2 in booth N700 demonstrating this.
That's right.
And of course, we're going to go there and we're going to do a deep dive on the product while we're there. So you'll have a chance to view it. All of our ISE coverage is at ravepubs.com/ISE. And at ISE, again, you're in Hall 2, booth N700. James, I really appreciate you coming on today and doing this.
Thank you, Gary, and I look forward to seeing you in Barcelona.
Yeah, look forward to seeing you as well. And everyone, thanks for watching. We have a lot more ISE coverage to go. We still got a few more weeks before we get to the show. Again, pay attention to it at ravepubs.com/ISE. And of course, you can go to Nureva right now, Nureva.com, and see the HDX product line if you want to check out all the details. I put a link in the description for this as well. Everyone, have a great day.
rAVe Radio.